In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website for free with Wix. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started and how you can set it up so that you could easily create a free website on the internet. We'll get started right away. So I'm on Wix.com as of right now, and that's where you want to go as well. You can then go to the homepage and then you'll see create a website you're proud of. Right there it says get started. You want to click on get started. And you can then right there log in or sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up, and you can then sign up for a Wix account. So first of all, enter your email, then type that email again, which I'll do right now. And then next up, you want to come up with a simple and like a good password, of course. So create a password, which I'll also do. There we go. And then once you're done with that password, you want to click on sign up right there. Click on sign up and there we go. So we can now get started creating our own free website. We want your Wix experience to be perfect for your needs. Answer a few questions to help us get to know you better. I recommend you do this. You can skip this at the bottom right corner, but I recommend clicking on let's do it and then creating this so that they can easily understand what kind of website you're looking to make. So you can choose myself, a client, a company I work for, or someone else. In this case, I'm going to click on myself because this is just a website I'm going to create for this video. It should be, and then you can click right there, a business, an online store, a music, a designer, a blog, blah, blah, blah. You can check out all of these categories. I'm going to click on a blog. It should be a blog site, and I have built site professionally, created many websites, built a few, and never done this before. So I've created many websites, but you can also click on never done this before, because if you're here using Wix, you probably want to get started the easy way. Next up, you can let Wix ADI create a website for you. Once again, I recommend you do that. It's going to come up like you simply have to answer a few simple questions, and they will then create every single feature and thing for you, which you can then later on customize. If you want to do this all by yourself, you can create your own styling website in the editor. You can do that as well. However, if you're a beginner, I recommend by doing this and clicking on start now. So what it's going to do, we'll just wait, it's going to send you over to a page where you can answer a few simple questions so that they can understand what kind of website you're looking to make, and they will then come up with a easy to use and easy to customize website template and theme and all of that. I'll show you how it works. So what type of website do you want to create? You can then choose whatever. You can choose fashion blog, new blog, blogger, health blog, and this is just selected because I said that I wanted to make a blog website. If you type in YouTube, for example, you'll see YouTube channel, YouTube personality, YouTube tech channel. You'll see all of this. So as of right now, I'm creating how-to content. So I'll just choose YouTube channel. Click on next. And then right there, you can choose this. Okay, so this is recommended. What do you need on your new website? Your site comes with a blog. Here are more features suggested for you. So they recommend I add a video tab, an Instagram feed tab, which lets you display your pictures and videos from Instagram. And all of this is customizable, right? So more features, you can choose, like if you're building an online store or if you want to integrate that, you can choose it. Bookings, events, forums, subscribe form, music, menus, orders, reservations. You can add all of this to your website if needed, right? So for now, I'm just going to add, let's see, a subscribe form, and I'm going to keep this going. I'm going to remove paid plans. I'm going to keep the chat, Instagram feed, and video tab. Click on next. Now, of course, you want to do that. You want to customize that for what you want to do, okay? So don't copy what I choose. Copy what you, not copy, but choose what you want. What is the name of your site? So I'll just go with my YouTube channel name, which is How To Digital. There we go. Click on next. Do you want to import your images and text? Already have an online presence, import your content to use on your new website. So like I just said, I have a YouTube channel. I can then import that. So if I go to my YouTube channel, I can copy the link and I can import content from my YouTube channel. Now, if I just go here, you can also use an existing website or Google Places. So if you have a store, if you have your own local like real store, you can then also choose that. So I'm not sure what's going on with my Wi-Fi, but it seems to be pretty slow. So we'll just have to wait. Let's see, there we go, your channel, and there we go. I can now copy this. You can then paste that right there and then click on next. And there we go. So next up, you can review and edit your info. Right there, you can add a logo. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add my logo, which is right there, which is the How To Digital logo. It's the same logo that you can see on my channel. You can customize your name, email, address, phone number, fax, and social accounts. So if you want to add your Instagram page or your Facebook page to this website, you can click on Add Social Link, and you can then simply paste that, right? So let's say I want to add my Twitter account. I'll just go to Twitter right now, click on my profile, copy it, and I can then add that right there. So we'll paste it, and there you go. Click on next once you're done setting that up, and this is actually very important. Right now you can pick a theme you like. These fonts and colors will be used to design your website. You can easily change them later on. So like I said, you can still customize this later on, but you can also choose one of these themes. So I will choose luxury, I guess, but this is just my personal like taste. I'm gonna go with luxury. You can choose any of these, and you can also customize that later on. Choose one and then click on continue, of course. Use colors from your logo to create a palette for your site. So right there, you want to like create a palette if you want to, or you can skip it. So if you want to do that, you can do it, and there you go. It's now choosing the colors from my logo, and as you can see right there, that's pretty accurate. If I go, you can see blue, light blue, black, white, and red. And if you then go to Wix, you can see that these are pretty much the same colors. You can then choose to use these colors, and I'm going to do that since I like the colors and it will integrate well with my brand and my logo. Now you don't have to do that. You can also click on skip, and then it's pretty much going to come up with the normal template. But I chose to add the same colors, right? Now here you can pick your favorite homepage design. You can easily customize your colors, images, and more. So once again, like every single time, you can still customize this, but you can also choose one of these. So these are the designs you can choose from. You can choose this one, and that one. Now, if I just like me personally, I like this one. So I'm going to click on use this design, and then it's going to load the features. So adding your pages, right now it's pretty much creating my website. So it's setting this up all automatically, and I can then start customizing my website. So this is the website that I now have built in like a few minutes only. I can check. So in about 8 minutes, I created this free website with Wix. You can customize all of this. So right there, we have my logo. You can edit that right there if you want to. Click on edit, then you can simply customize it, right? So you can add stuff. You can go to the side menu. You can hide this as well. You can check out all of this. You can then also make it show up right there. On the left side, you can see the header edit page. So you can add phone numbers, you can add buttons, you can add my social accounts. So as you can see right there, these are my social accounts. So if people go to my website, they can click on these links. I'll show you. I'll publish the site right now, which normally you would do later on. But I just want to show you that you can click on the actual social media icons, and that they will then bring you over to your YouTube page, to your Facebook page, to your Twitter page, whatever social media account you link to your website, basically, which is always nice because you can then promote different platforms at once. There we go. So if I click on view website, you can see that this is the website as of right now. And then as you can see right there, these are these icons. If I click on YouTube, it will then bring you over to my YouTube channel, which is nice. So that's pretty much how you can do that. I'll just get rid of these tabs right now and go back to my website. So I'll just click right there, and then we can continue editing our website. So you can then, if you don't like this, you can change the header, you can change the title. So introducing How To Digital, engaging content. They made that up themselves, so that's pretty accurate because I create content on my YouTube channel. Hopefully it's engaging. Hopefully you're still here. Anyway, this is how you can edit it. So you can click on it, and then at the left side, you'll see the edit page. You can then simply customize that to whatever you want. So you can do How To Digital. There you go. engaging content, you can change that, showing you how to dominate social media, for example, if that's what your website is about. So you can then customize this, you can change the subtitle, you can change the fonts, you can add links, you can do a lot of stuff on this. Now right there you can change the media, so you can change this picture right there. Now I kind of like this one since it kind of reflects to what I do. I create content, so this is decent, this is not too bad. Of course you can customize this to whatever you want by clicking on it and then clicking on organize media, click on image right there, replace, you can then choose one, okay? And this is how you can do that. But if I just get rid of this, I can then also scroll down. Oh, this is my bad. Let's get rid of this, let's get rid of that. There we go. If I scroll down, you can see that this now integrates with all my YouTube videos, which is why I like this feature a lot, right? Because if people are now on my website, they can automatically go to my YouTube channel and watch videos, which then for me gets me more views and makes me more money. But I can also grow my audience, which I like. So if you're building a blog, you can then convert people from your website to your YouTube channel, which is always nice, or to other platforms, of course. This is my YouTube, so if people then click on it, they can then go to those videos, right? So that's pretty much how you can do that. You can then scroll down. This will then be the Instagram feature. Now, there's not that much to see on here. You can link your Instagram. I didn't link it yet, so you can see my Instagram. You can click on settings, customize all of this, but that's totally up to you. You can also change the design if you want to. You can move it, you can delete it. So for now, I'm gonna get rid of it because I don't have Instagram. At least I don't have an Instagram page for my YouTube channel. But if you do, you can link it, of course. And then right there, get in touch, your contact information. So that's my email right there, my social media accounts, my address as well, which I didn't link, but you can change all of that right there. So you can put in your address, right? You can customize all of this. You can change the background color, you can change the text color, you can customize everything on here, okay? It's gonna be too much to go over in this video alone, but you can customize every single feature. And this is how you can create a website for free using Wix. These were the basic features, and this is just how to set it up with in just a couple of minutes. It took me about, let's see, 13 minutes to make this, and it looks alright. It's not a very professional website yet, but it looks nice in my opinion, and it only took me 30 minutes. I can now go ahead and customize all of this and make it look way better. But this is pretty much how you can create a free website using Wix. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment as well and let me know if you're going to use it, if you have any tips for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this and help me grow as well. Now that's pretty much it. I hope you have a nice day and good luck with your website. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.